Welcome to Kerala, a land where emerald backwaters whisper ancient tales. Misty hills embrace the sky and vibrant culture dances to the rhythm of tradition. Join us as we embark on a journey through the top 10 wonders of God's own country, exploring its hidden gems and experiencing the soul of Kerala. From the tranquil backwaters of Alleppey to the mist-shrouded tea gardens of Munnar, Kerala offers a sensory feast unlike any other. Our journey commences in Alleppey, often referred to as the Venice of the East. Step aboard a traditional houseboat, a Kovalam crafted from ancient techniques, and allow yourself to drift along the tranquil waters. Observe the rhythm of life unfold before you as fishermen cast their nets, children play on the banks, and women in vibrant saris glide past in canoes. The air is alive with the sounds of nature. The gentle lapping of water against the hull, the chirping of exotic birds hidden amongst the foliage. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow across the water, one can truly understand why this place is considered a slice of paradise. Spend your days leisurely cruising the backwaters, indulging in freshly cooked Keralan cuisine and witnessing the timeless beauty of rural India. From the tranquil backwaters, we ascend to the cool, misty hills of Munnar, a hill station draped in emerald green. Here, sprawling tea plantations blanket the slopes, their neatly pruned bushes creating a mesmerizing pattern that stretches as far as the eye can see. Visit a tea factory and witness the fascinating process of transforming tender leaves into the beloved beverage, from withering and rolling to drying and packaging. Beyond the tea gardens, Munnar offers breathtaking vistas of rolling hills, plunging valleys and sparkling waterfalls. Hike through the Kovalam National Park, home to the endangered Nilgiri tahr, a mountain goat unique to these hills. As the mist rolls in, enveloping the hills in an ethereal embrace, you'll understand why Munnar is often called the Kashmir of South India. Our journey now takes us deep into the heart of Kerala's wilderness, to Periyar National Park, a sanctuary teeming with biodiversity. Embark on a thrilling boat safari across the Periyar Lake, the heart of the sanctuary. Keep your eyes peeled for the magnificent Indian elephants that roam freely in these forests, their presence a testament to the park's conservation efforts. Watch as herds gather at the water's edge, their trunks swaying rhythmically as they quench their thirst. Periyar is also home to a rich variety of other wildlife, including tigers, leopards, sambar deer, and langurs. Trek through the dense forests with experienced guides, their trained eyes spotting creatures camouflaged amongst the foliage. Learn about the delicate balance of this ecosystem and the importance of preserving this natural heritage for generations to come. As evening descends and the forest comes alive with nocturnal activity, you'll carry with you the unforgettable memories of your encounter with the wild heart of Kerala. From the wilds of Periyar, we journey to Fort Kochi, a charming coastal town steeped in history. Wander through the narrow, cobbled streets where ancient Portuguese architecture stands shoulder to shoulder with Dutch colonial buildings and traditional Keralan homes. Explore the imposing Fort Kochi built by the Portuguese in the 16th century, its weathered ramparts whispering tales of seafaring adventures and colonial conquests. Visit the historic St. Francis Church, the oldest European church in India, where Vasco da Gama, the famed Portuguese explorer, was once buried. Discover the Pardesi Synagogue, a testament to the Jewish community that thrived in Kochi for centuries, its ornate interiors adorned with chandeliers and hand-painted tiles. As you stroll along the waterfront, the scent of spices fills the air, a reminder of Kochi's historical role as a major spice trading center. Watch fishermen haul in their catch using traditional Chinese fishing nets, their silhouettes silhouetted against the setting sun. Fort Kochi is a captivating blend of cultures and history, a place where the past seamlessly merges with the present. Prepare to be mesmerized as we delve into the world of Kathakali, one of India's most ancient and captivating dance forms. Originating in Kerala, Kathakali is not merely a dance but a complete sensory experience, a harmonious blend of drama, music and elaborate costumes. Witness the transformation of artists as they meticulously apply their makeup, each color and stroke representing a specific emotion or character trait. The vibrant costumes, adorned with intricate embroidery and shimmering ornaments, add another layer of visual splendor to the performance. With expressive eyes and intricate hand gestures known as mudras, they convey complex emotions and weave intricate narratives from Hindu epics like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. The accompanying percussion instruments, including the chenda, madalam, and the cymbals, create a rhythmic tapestry that enhances the drama and intensity of the performance. Attending a Kathakali performance is like stepping into a world of myth and legend where good battles, evil, and heroes triumph over adversity. Our journey now takes us to the sun-kissed shores of Kovalam, a renowned beach destination where the azure waters of the Arabian Sea caress the golden sands. Stroll along the crescent-shaped Kovalam beach, its palm-fringed shoreline dotted with colorful fishing boats. Bask in the warmth of the tropical sun, take a refreshing dip in the turquoise waters, or simply relax on the soft sand, listening to the rhythmic sound of the waves. Kovalam is also a renowned center for Ayurveda, India's ancient system of holistic healing. Indulge in rejuvenating Ayurvedic massages and treatments at one of the many Ayurveda centers, where skilled therapists use herbal oils and traditional techniques to restore balance and well-being. Kovalam offers the perfect blend of relaxation and rejuvenation, a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with yourself. Our journey takes a spiritual turn as we arrive at the magnificent Padmanabhaswamy Temple in Thiruvananthapuram, the capital city of Kerala. This ancient temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, is not only a place of worship but also an architectural marvel and a repository of history and art. Be awestruck by the towering Gopuram, the temple's gateway, adorned with intricate carvings depicting scenes from Hindu mythology. Step inside and be transported back in time as you wander through the vast courtyards, pillared halls and sanctums, each adorned with exquisite sculptures and murals. The temple's main deity, Lord Vishnu, is depicted in a reclining posture, resting on the serpent Anantha, representing the eternal cosmic cycle. A visit to Padmanabhaswamy Temple is a journey into the heart of Kerala's spiritual heritage, a place where faith, art and history converge in breathtaking harmony. Our adventure takes us north to Wayanad, a land of mist-shrouded mountains, lush forests and cascading waterfalls. Step back in time at the Adakal Caves, home to prehistoric petroglyphs dating back to the Neolithic age. These ancient rock carvings depicting human figures, animals and symbols offer a fascinating glimpse into the lives of Kerala's earliest inhabitants. Trek through the dense forests of Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, including elephants, tigers, leopards and sloth bears. Visit a spice plantation and immerse yourself in the aroma of pepper, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves, the scents of Kerala's spice trade that once lured traders from distant lands. Learn about the cultivation and processing of these aromatic spices and take home a taste of Kerala's culinary heritage. Wayanad is a place where you can reconnect with nature, explore ancient history, and experience the tranquility of the hills. Prepare to be awestruck as we arrive at Athirapalli Falls, a breathtaking spectacle of nature often referred to as the Niagara Falls of India. Here, the Chalakudi River plunges from a height of over 80 feet, cascading down a rocky precipice in a thunderous roar that echoes through the surrounding forests. Feel the spray of the falls on your face as you stand on the viewing platform, mesmerized by the sheer power and beauty of this natural wonder. The lush green forests surrounding the falls are home to a rich biodiversity of flora and fauna. Look out for exotic birds, playful monkeys, and if you're lucky, even a glimpse of the elusive Great Hornbill Athirapalli Falls is a testament to the raw power and beauty of nature. A place where you can witness the forces of nature at play and feel a sense of awe at the wonders of the natural world. Our journey culminates with a visit to one of Kerala's renowned Ayurvedic retreats, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. Here, amidst tranquil surroundings, you can embark on a journey of rejuvenation and self-discovery. Ayurveda, meaning the science of life, is an ancient Indian system of holistic healing that focuses on achieving balance between the mind, body and spirit. Experience the healing touch of Ayurveda through personalized treatments and therapies tailored to your individual needs. Indulge in soothing massages using warm herbal oils, each blend carefully crafted to address specific ailments and promote overall well-being. Relax in herbal steam baths that detoxify the body and calm the mind. Kerala's Ayurvedic retreats offer a sanctuary from the stresses of modern life, a place to heal, rejuvenate, and rediscover your inner harmony. As our journey through the wonders of Kerala draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and appreciation for this magical land. From the tranquil backwaters and mist-shrouded hills to the vibrant culture and ancient traditions, Kerala offers an experience that lingers in the heart long after one has bid farewell. Kerala beckons with open arms. Pack your spirit of adventure and let its magic unfold.